Hello everybody, my name is Jarek and welcome to my YouTube channel, Yaropol80. Today I'm in Clearwater, Florida, and I would like to show you this big Harley-Davidson dealer. If you like big American motorcycles, this is a definitely place you should visit. I'm gonna show you many different motorcycles. So this is a great place to buy and get some real nice American motorbike. Thank you very much for your support, your likes and comments, and I wish you all the best.
Make the clouds move over. We can do whatever you want. We can do whatever you want. Motion. She called me crazy and I'm wasting time. Easy, don't leave me now. Yeah, for the sky and all its diamonds. I'm gonna make the time move slower. We can do whatever your sun's out. Make the clouds move on.